Hey, this is Jason Samuels with another student video. So we're taking the volume by slicing from the region bound by y equals x and y equals 2 times the square root of x. You need to find the upper and lower bounds by setting these functions equal to each other. And then when you solve, you get x times x over 4 minus 1, which gives one of the bounds being 0, and then you look for the other one, and the other one is 4. And I pick a spot in the middle, equals 2, to find that the y equals 2 times the square root of x is the upper bound. So doing the integration of pi r squared, pi times each function squared, upper bound squared, times minus the lower equation, rather, the function. And I take the pi out and continue doing the integration, getting pi times 2x squared minus x to the third over 3. The 0 will just result in a 0, doing the fundamental theorem of calculus. So you add the 4 in there, you'll eventually get 32 pi over 3 units cubed. Now, doing the shell method with y equals square root of x, y equals 2 minus x, and y equals 0, rotated about the x-axis. Doing this, you will need to integrate with respect to y, and so you need to change these into their x equals versions. So that's x equals y squared and x equals 2 minus y. The function like this basically acts as a bound, and because the original equation y equals square root of x only deals in the positive values, we will use that as the lower bound. To find the upper bound, we will set these equations equal to each other. You will get y plus 2 and y minus 1. And then it will equal y equals negative 2 and y equals 1. And since negative 2 is under y equals 0, we will not use that, and we will use this one instead. So it will be from 0 to 1. Then over here we are finding the upper bound, and I just picked a y equals 1/2 to see which one is greater, and the x equals 2 minus y is the upper bound. And so with the shells, you do 2 pi y times r, and r will be the upper bound minus the lower. And with respect to y, let's take the 2 pi out, multiply that y, distribute it, then you get y squared minus y cubed over 3 minus y to the 4th over 4, from 0 to 1. Similarly, as the other one, 0 will just be 0, and so let's put in the 1, and after all that, you get 5 pi over 6 units cubed. Thank you.